Welcome to my review of SearchQuarry, a platform designed to provide public records and background check services. SearchQuarry allows users to access a variety of public data, including criminal records, marriage licenses, and more. In this video, I'll share my honest experience navigating the site and using its services. First, let's talk about the registration process. It's relatively simple to sign up, but you will need to provide some personal information. After logging in, you are greeted with a straightforward interface that makes it easy to search for records. You can search by name, address, or phone number, which is useful if you're trying to locate specific information. One downside I encountered is that not all public records are free. To get access to more detailed information, you'll need to purchase a subscription. While the paid features are necessary to access certain reports, the costs can add up, which may be a downside for some users. As for the search results, they're decent, but not always comprehensive. Sometimes the data may not be up to date, and some searches yield incomplete information. It's worth noting that SearchQuarry pulls data from a variety of public sources, so the quality of the results can vary. Navigation is generally smooth, and the website is user-friendly, but there are occasional slowdowns when pulling up certain data. This could be frustrating if you're in a hurry. Overall, SearchQuarry provides a solid service, but be prepared to pay for the full experience. Many useful links you can find in the description. In conclusion, SearchQuarry is a reliable platform for those who need access to public records. However, the subscription fees and sometimes inconsistent results may be drawbacks for some users. If you're willing to pay for the more detailed reports, it could be worth it. Don't forget to check out the useful links in the description. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews on platforms like SearchQuarry.